Dear all, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Dr. Abdul Hafiz. I am taking your new lecture on the topic of Drug Price Control Order DPCO 1995. So, what is the overview of DPCO? This is unit 5th in pharmaceutical marketing, last unit. So, start from the content parts. What is the introduction and history, amendments, objectives, definitions, price of bulk drugs, DPCO, information required from manufacturers to the government, retail price of formulations, power to fix price of schedule formulation, and fixation of price under certain circumstances, power to recover overchange amount, offense penalties, a schedule related with DPCO, and all. So start from the introduction part. What is DPCO? DPCO means drug price control and order. So what is drug? A substance intended for use in the diagnosis, cure, mitigations, treatment or prevention of disease. That means कोई भी अगर बीमारी है उसको किसी ड्रग से उसको प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं. प्रिवेंशन ऑफ डिजीज, दैट इज ड्रग. व्हाट इज प्राइस? द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी गिवन और सेट एज ए कंसिडरेशन फॉर द सेल ऑफ स्पेसिफाइड थिंग. कोई भी चीज़ खरीद रहे हो उसके बदले में आपको कुछ अमाउंट देना है, दैट इज़ प्राइस. कंट्रोल टू एक्सरसाइज रिस्ट्रेनिंग और डायरेक्टिंग इन्फ्लुएंसिंग ओवर. ऑर्डर, दैट मीन्स एन ऑथोरिटीज कमांड्स डायरेक्शंस और इंस्ट्रक्शन. दैट इज़ कमांड और ये है आपका एक इंस्ट्रक्शन है. सो द ड्रग प्राइस कंट्रोल ऑर्डर इज़ एन ऑर्डर इश्यूड बाय the government under the Essential Commodities Act, which their formulation, which enables it to fix the price of some essential bulk drugs and their formulations. The origin of this control dates back to 1970, when to the first time the government placed limit on profitability of pharmaceutical companies. ड्रग प्राइस कंट्रोल ऑर्डर 2013. इससे पहले ड्रग प्राइस कंट्रोल ऑर्डर जो एक्ट था 1995 एंड द कन्फर्म्ड बाय सेक्शन 3rd ऑफ एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज एक्ट 1955. व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ DPCO? 1966 parliament member felt that manufacturers charging high rates on drugs. So to control on high drug rates, DPCO Act 1966 was passed under section 3 of Essential Commodities Act 1955. So DPCO Act 1966 replaced by DPCO Act 1970. In 1970, Hathi Committee was formed and submitted its report in 1975. Then Drug Price Control Act 1970 replaced by DPCO Act 1987. After that, the DPCO Act 1987 replaced by DPCO Act 1995, so that the finally DPCO Act 1995 replaced by the DPCO Act 2013. So what is the amendments? Changes in the DPCO Act Drug Price Control Order in 1970. उसके बाद चेंज हुआ 1979, आफ्टर दैट 1987, देन 1991, देन 1995, देन ड्रग प्राइस कंट्रोल ऑर्डर इज 2013. थैंक यू.